How's it going, guys? King Cadillac, and today we are at the Berwick breakfast. Without further ado, let's get into the classic cars. There's John, doing what he does best, which is annoying everyone. 50 Chevy COE, beautiful caddy. Not too bad yourself?
Good.
But I got my.
Oh, here we go.
No, sorry.
Look at that. Dodge Challenger, Mustang, Jason DeVille. Four-door, is that a four-door Nova? That's a Nova wagon. Wow, very nice. Ford Coupe.
Yeah, I know.
How you going, Steve?
Good man, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
What is this, mate? The Maltese fucking mafia?
I thought you were going to be here at 7 o'clock.
I ended up waiting for them.
That's odd. Okay, man.
You got to pull up your foot, you know.
Make it shorter. Make it that wider. Make it like a 5 or 6 row.
Oh, look at this. Sounds absolutely stunning. And well, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. There'll be another video later, which you'll see uploaded when you're watching this. Will be Mama's barbecue chicken. Oh, wait a minute. Here comes Rob. That's going to do it, guys. We'll see you at Mama's barbecue chicken later on today.